Greetings. This is the storm that happened on 2222, but it actually happened on 3, because today's 3. I've been out here defrosting my windshield for about 20 minutes now. It is defrosting. Oh yeah. It's doing better now. The engine's warmed up. I'm glad I filled up my tank before I came in yesterday. My run for today canceled because of the snow. You can still see the grass and everything, but it's raining. And I'm sure the roads are pretty slick. I don't know. It's raining at 32 degrees. It hasn't gotten down below freezing. Well, it did at some point because we got all this ice. But, not sure what I'll do today. Probably do some writing. I got a message early this morning from the restaurant saying they're not going to open today because of the terrible weather. So I can't go to breakfast. Maybe the other place is open. We'll see if I can get this thing defrosted. It's supposed to be the big storm, but I think it's going to be mostly rain. All right. God bless.